In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email in Freshbooks. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is clear and simple for you to follow. So, whether you're updating your email due to a provider change or just cleaning up your account details, this guide will help you make that transition smoothly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Projects section once you're logged in to your Freshbooks account. Imagine this section as the main hub for all your project-related activities. You get there by simply looking for the Projects tab in your Freshbooks dashboard. Once you've arrived at the Projects section, you'll need to select the project you'd like to edit. This can be done by clicking on the Edit button next to the project or directly clicking on the project name itself. This action takes you deeper into the project's specifics, allowing you to customize the settings as per your current needs. Next, under Project Settings, you'll want to ensure that the project type is set to Hourly Project. This ensures that the billing configuration aligns with an hourly rate, which is essential for projects where time tracking is critical. Confirming this setting guarantees that your billing matches the kind of work arrangement you'll be implementing. Following this, your next step is to set the billable rates. To do this, you'll click on Set Billable Rates. This option is a gateway to configuring how you'll charge for your services. It's a vital step because it directly affects your invoicing processes and ultimately your income from the project. Now, moving on to the rate settings, you'll want to choose the Single Hourly Rate option. Here, you'll enter the new rate in the Per Hour field, reflecting what you will charge for your time spent on this particular project. It's important to set the correct rate to avoid any discrepancies with clients later on and ensure that the project remains profitable and you're compensated appropriately for your work. With the new hourly rate entered, you'll wrap things up by clicking Done. After that, be sure to hit Save to finish the process. This last step is crucial. It locks in the changes you've made, ensuring that everything is updated and ready for your next billing cycle. Forgetting to save could mean all your configurations might be lost, causing more work later to redo the adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email settings in Freshbooks while also managing your project's billable rates effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your Freshbooks account a breeze. Feel free to revisit any part of this walkthrough if you need to refresh your memory on specific steps. Thank you for watching and happy managing in Freshbooks.